Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. My name's Adam. You're with me at my shop, Kaputy Inc. Today we're going to cold start my 04 F450. It's got a 6-liter that's been bulletproofed, automatic, 4-wheel drive, if that's relevant to some of you. It's the tow rig. It's hooked up to the trailer pretty much all the time. Hasn't been started in like, I don't know, a couple weeks. First thing, we're going to attempt to start it without plugging it in, without anything. It is cold out here. I'm sure all of you go, oh, it's fucking 12 degrees here. It's 9 degrees here, so suck it if it's 12 there. That's Fahrenheit, and for everyone else who hasn't landed on the moon, it's below 0 Celsius. So let's see what happens when we try and start this thing. Not happening, Captain. We'll go grab a cord, plug it in, let it stay plugged in for a while, throw a little jump pack action on there, and should be titties and kitties. Alright, a couple hours later, we've had her plugged in. We're going to clean off the hood, and it is a sweltering, paltry, feels like Jamaica, 12 degrees right now. So that's still under 0. Again, if you live in a country that's never been on the moon. Man on the moon. Maybe the Russians landed like a satellite Sputnik. That was just, either way. USA. Alright, moving forward and get some snow shoveled off it. That's going to do it for my 6-liter Powerstroke cold start video. I always plug it in. I just did it without, just for a little extra content on the video there. I like to have the boost box. Doesn't hurt, so might as well get the extra voltage there to start the engine, a little extra power. The motor, assuming the motor is original to the truck, I've only owned it for about 5,000 miles or so, about a year. Coming up on, well, it's 8 months or so now. But either way, it's got 144,000 miles on it. So, yeah, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.